Today we're going to do steamed fillet of fish, Cantonese style, and we're going to roast up some Napa cabbage. We are going to use a really nice thick cut of cod. We're going to make a pesto. It's going to be some garlic and some scallions. Smash up our garlic, ginger, and then we'll just mince this up, and we'll add to that scallions. Combine those. We'll add cooking wine, and it's a rice-based wine. And some soy sauce as well. Mix all that in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut halfway down into the fillet, about 1-inch diamonds. We'll take our pesto and we'll just push that right into the slices that we've made into our fresh fish. We have this wok, which is great for steaming. I've got about an inch of water in the bottom of the wok, and we've got that steaming. And there's a little steaming tray here, but you could use a cake cooling rack or something like that. And we're going to just put this right in like that. Allow the space around here. It's going to allow the steam to get right up around, and we're going to let that steam for about 10 minutes or so on high heat, boiling. And we'll start with the Napa type of Chinese cabbage. I'm just going to cut it right in half. And we'll just put that right in there, right in our roasting pan. And we've preheated the oven so that it's on broil. We're going to make a glaze. Some sesame oil. We're going to use balsamic vinegar, but you can use apple cider vinegar if you would like. Hoisin sauce, which is a thick sweet sauce. There we go. Mix that right in. We're going to use about half of this. We're just going to paint this right over it. Get right in there. Save a little bit of it to brush on after we've roasted the cabbage. We'll put that in there. It's probably, maybe 3 inches below the broiler. Good. It's looking pretty good. We want to make sure that it's completely done, but we don't want it over the bone. You can kind of see it's quite tender. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame oil. And again, if you want to use spicy sesame oil, you could do that. So just like that. So yeah, that's kind of nice and wilted. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit more. Just put this back in for another minute or so. Oh yeah, see how nice and flaky that is? That heat off. Some on the rice. There it is. It's just... Yeah, we've got some fresh fish and Napa. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.